How surviving R. Kelly docu series led to new indictments. Video provided by Today. The Lifetime series Surviving. According to, a Homeland Security investigations agent decided to investigate the singer after watching the disturbing docu series in January. He was arrested in Chicago on federal sex crimes charges in 2 states. In the 13-count indictment from the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Northern District of Illinois, charges include child porn, enticement of a minor and obstruction of justice. In a separate 5-count federal indictment out of the Eastern District of New York filed on Friday, R. Kelly is charged with racketeering and several violations of the Mann Act and allegations of forced labor. The federal indictments accuse R. Kelly and members of his team of recruiting women and girls to engage in illegal sexual activity with the singer and later paying victims and witnesses to cover up his crimes. It's R. Kelly's residence. He continued, Mr.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.